Good morning, guys. We are all loaded up and ready to rock and roll to head down to OSW. Me, Winston, and 14 other guys went ahead and rented the track for the day. So we have everything loaded up. We are ready to rock and roll, get down there, and do a little bit of drifting. Rain is in the forecast. I'm not upset about that. I'm like, shoot, we can save some tire, have a lot more fun, rather than trying to, I don't know, drift on the pavement and risk breaking something. We can go down there and enjoy all these 5 hours just having a blast, playing around in the rain. And I don't know, I personally have fun doing that kind of stuff. If it doesn't rain, or if it's still dry, we're still gonna have fun. Got a new clutch in the car. I'll throw a picture in there. I totally forgot to update you guys on that one. So we got a new clutch, got good tires. We squared the toe up in the front. Everything's good to go, so we'll see you guys down there. What's up, guys? We have made it to the track here at the private day. It was a little interesting unloading the car, but we got her down, got the tires changed out. Ignore the dirt bikes over there because they've got that dirt bike track. I'm in the process of putting my rear aero on. He's tightened down his tires. We're gonna go up here and see about tech and then get out on the track. Town's finest drone, doing some warm-up laps. What's up? Gonna have a little fun. We are loaded all back up, ready to roll. Winston's good to go. Nate's good to go. We're going to head home, and I'll wrap up this video for you guys. Alright guys, what's going on? We are back at the house. We got everything unpacked, everything's cleaned up and such. And the car struggled to start backing it off the trailer. I'm not sure what's going on. We just checked it to make sure it was getting spark and that the cam angle sensor was working, and we have both of those. And then we pushed it and it bumped and came to life, and I drove it around, was able to get it in the parking spot, but I wasn't able to start it to get it off the trailer. So I just wanted to check in with you guys and let you guys know that obviously we've made it home safely. Everything went awesome. I had a blast. The CI did great all day long up until now. I don't know what's going on. She might have you know, gave out on me, and we might have to do another rebuild or something, but I don't know. We will see. I do need to fix the binding issue still with my car. If you guys noticed in that first clip, I like lock up the tires and I just slide straight forward. I think it's just because I'm too low and my tires are honestly getting bound up inside the wheel wells, rather than it being any sort of angle part or any of the geometry off in my steering. Because if you guys saw, I drifted the oval with no problems, but we just had like really weird initiation problems where I just yanked the handbrake, come in second gear, it would start to slide, and then the wheels would just lock up and we would just go straight forward. So it was kind of frustrating, but you know, you live and you learn. I've progressed as a driver at this event, or this little private day, so I'm not upset about anything that happened at the event. Winston actually ended up breaking 2 wheels that he borrowed from somebody. They came off his car in mid-drift. I didn't want to put his footage in there or anything because I know he's going to try to upload his YouTube stuff. But other than that, guys, I'm really pleased and I'm really happy with what the car did this weekend. It's kind of sad that she's giving me issues now, but hey, that's life. I really, you know, beat on her, and I was on the limiter quite often. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to figure this out and then check in with you just one more time before I wrap this video up, and then obviously that'll be it. But I'm going to try to figure out what's going on with this car. I might have lost compression, and we just might need to get a bore and some new pistons and new rings. Go up to like an 84 or an 85 mil, so we'll see. Alright guys, we got everything back together, and sadly it looks like the rings are gone in the engine. I guess the factory rebuild didn't really hold up to the abuse that I was giving it these past few months. Almost a year. We're coming on a year since the rebuild, so I'm not too mad about it. I understand that it's a 30-year-old engine and, you know, shit happens. So we're probably going to bump up in piston size, get some new rings, obviously pull the engine out, bore it out, the whole 9 yards. But before I do that, I'll probably just ride with Ben to work, back and forth to work, save up a little bit of money, get the white car going, get everything together for that white car so I can drive that back and forth to work, and we'll give some love to the CA. Probably bump up the turbo size, and then maybe look into aftermarket ECMs or chipping. So we will go from there. I'm going to clean up all the rest of my stuff here that I've got with Talon, and that's going to be a wrap for the video. So this is kind of a sad note to end on, but that's drifting. It happens. The CA, I mean, it's not like it spun a bearing or blew up or there's a hole in the side of the block or anything. It just wore out. It's an exhausted old engine. So that's life. It happens. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys that check out all these videos. I'm really thrilled to bring you guys this footage. It's been kind of a long time coming, linking the oval, going out there, having fun on the skid pad. I'm actually enjoying drifting, taking my friends for ride-alongs and stuff. So I had a blast. I'm hoping you guys had a blast kind of on that little journey that we've got, building up the car, going out drifting, and now look, we get to even make more power and probably have a little more fun. I'm going to raise up the car a little bit. I think the angle's squared away. I'm going to kind of clean up my camber. I don't think I'm going to run as aggressive camber as I was beforehand. I ended up notching or bringing up on the coilover notches the camber on either side rather than keeping them all the way down. The end of my coilovers are actually notched there, so I get a little more aggressive camber, kind of that old school JDM trick that guys did back in the day. You know, comes in handy. But all right, I'll keep rambling on. Thank you guys so much for watching. Here goes the outro. Later.